earning money from your YouTube channel, even with a small audience, is very possible. Let me tell you how I did it and 5 ways you can do it as well. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia, and if you're new to this channel, on this channel we're talking about how to grow your online business with social media and how to actually make money online, even with a small audience. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell to not lose any videos. And now let's talk about how you can actually make money with your YouTube channel, even with a small audience. Am I talking 100 subscribers, 1,000, 10,000? What is a small audience? A small audience is as little as 10 subscribers. Can you make money with a YouTube channel with as little as 10 subscribers? The answer is yes. If one of those 10 subscribers is actually interested in what you have to say, you will make money from your YouTube channel. But you have to be very methodic about it. So let me tell you what I mean and what are the ways you can make money online with your YouTube channel with a small audience. I managed to make over $3,000 from a YouTube video without even being monetized. So I didn't have ads on my videos, but I managed to make that amount of money with my YouTube channel. So I had around 1,000 something subscribers, but I wasn't monetized yet because I didn't have the watch hours necessary to have ads on my videos. So how did I make those $3,000 from a video that wasn't even monetized and wasn't displaying ads? And that is by doing the first way that I'm going to mention in this video, which is selling services. Base your videos around a service you're providing so you can attract the right audience that you want to sell those services to. So that is exactly what I did with my Instagram product tagging service. I wanted to reach people that needed this service, and I wanted to give them the option of somebody spending the time and effort to do it for them in exchange for money. So that is a service. So those first like 50k views didn't give me any AdSense revenue, but it did get me a lot of interested people in my services. So yes, you may think that the amount of people is huge that were watching this video, but I want to tell you that even from the beginning of that video, when that video only had a few thousand views, there were people asking me to do the service for them. Now I want to get into the second way you can make money with your YouTube channel with a small audience, and that is selling digital products or physical products. Again, if the audience you're targeting is very interested in that topic and they notice that they will get some value from your product, they will buy it. You don't have to have 2 million subscribers in order for somebody to purchase something from you that they will get help from. That is not what I'm looking at personally when I'm seeing a new YouTuber or when I want to purchase something that will help me. I'm not looking at their audience size, I'm looking at the value that it is in their product and that it is on their channel. I'm not just saying that because I think it works. I've had digital product sales for my Pinterest growth workbook from videos that had less than 100 views. So I started promoting my Pinterest workbook with videos that now have around 300 views, 100 views, 50 views, and I got sales from those videos and a few sales from pins. But most of the sales from my Pinterest workbook were from my YouTube videos because those got the most traction. A few hundred views on videos on that topic. So there were a few hundred people that saw that product. So you do not need a huge audience to sell products on your channel. You need a dedicated audience that actually needs what you're selling and that actually sees it as an investment. The next way I made money with my YouTube channel, excluding ads, is affiliate marketing. And the way I did that is by promoting products I actually thought it would help my audience. The same as my Pinterest workbook, I've also promoted this ebook for Pinterest growth from the She Approach. It is called the She Approach to Making Pinterest Possible. Besides promoting my Pinterest workbook in my Pinterest videos, I've also promoted this ebook that is also really good for anyone who wants to learn Pinterest. So I've also promoted that ebook with my Pinterest workbook, and if people bought both, I would have made twice the revenue I would have made if I only promoted my online digital product. So people that bought my workbook also saw that ebook and bought it first because I mentioned it in previous videos. So again, the amount of people that saw me promoting that ebook were not very many. I do have a video called How I Became a Pinterest VA and Made My First $1,000, and that has around 5,000 views, but that is the amount of views it has now. But then again, I had affiliate sales from that videos before it even reached 1,000 views. Obviously, as your audience grows, your revenue will grow as well. That doesn't mean you have to be blocked at a small subscriber base without making any revenue. Use these ways that I've mentioned here and the ones I'm going to mention and make them count for your channel. You will learn a lot more than what you're earning now, because maybe you're not monetized yet and you think, oh, but people won't be interested in such a small channel or to purchase something that I recommend because I'm a small channel. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter you have 100 subscribers or 300,000 subscribers. If people see value in your videos and you actually put in effort to create good content and to give out good information, people will be interested in what you're recommending and they will want to purchase what you're recommending, or a digital product you've created and you're selling, or a service you're providing. One thing to keep in mind with affiliate marketing is that you need to be promoting small priced products first. If you're just going to go in and promote a $2,000 online course to your audience of 100 people that you don't have a lot of content on your channel yet, you don't have people that have bought a product you've recommended before and they don't know if they should trust you or not, with a small investment they would be able to do that, especially if you have a small audience. But with a big one, it will be just a lot harder for them to trust you in the beginning. So this is one recommendation I have for you regarding affiliate marketing with a YouTube channel with a small audience. The next way you can make money with a small audience on your YouTube channel is by collaborating or having brand deals or sponsorships on your videos. I had a really small audience just a few months ago when I had that Convey This sponsorship video, and that paid me a good amount of money for the size of my channel. And I'm telling you, you don't need to have a big subscriber base to be able to reach brands and to work with brands. All you need to tell them is that your videos will benefit them because your audience is a dedicated one, and show them that they've purchased things from you before, show them that they trust you, and the videos you create, make sure they are very niche down to what your audience wants, and you're reaching out to brands whose products would be very helpful to your own audience. So make it as niche as possible and make it as valuable as possible for your audience if you actually want to profit from a YouTube channel with a small audience. And the fifth way of making money with a small audience is from ads. I leave this last because obviously you can have 100 subscribers and have videos that surpass 1 million and still make that AdSense revenue, but this is not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is that I have videos with 500 views that have gotten me more than videos with 1,000 views on my channel. The reason for that is that the CPM is determined by the topic of the video. So I've created a video about Shopify website design that has made me around $14 and it has 600 views or something, and then I have another video that is about something else that has over 1,000 views and it has made me the exact amount of money that the other one made me with 500, 600 views. It doesn't matter for you to have 100k views on all of your videos. As a small channel with a small audience, you can still be making money from ads if the topics of your videos are good, and especially in different niches that have higher CPM on YouTube. I'm not saying you're going to be making 10k per month with AdSense as a small channel without very many subscribers, but what I'm saying is that even if you make $100 per month from YouTube, it is a good income stream to have as a small channel with a small audience. And one tip I have for you to make that happen and to get that AdSense revenue is to make videos longer than 10 minutes so you can add that extra ad in the middle for your audience to watch and to make you a few more cents per view. As a small channel in particular, it is very important to get as many monetized playbacks as you can so you can increase that AdSense revenue. So I'm telling you, focus on your videos and on your content, because not a lot of videos are gonna blow up and have hundreds of thousands of views now, but in a few months you're going to be getting that consistent revenue from ads, and that is a lot better than having one video blow up and then all the other right here. So make sure to focus on every single video, make it as good as you can, because you never ever know when YouTube will pick up that video and recommend it to more people, generating more AdSense income. So these were all my recommendations on how you can make money on YouTube with a small audience. This is how I did it. This is how I'm still doing it, because some people may consider 4,000 subscribers as a small audience, and the truth is not all those 4,000 subscribers watch all my videos, so I still have a small audience on every single video. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and comment down below which one of these ways are you using to make money with your YouTube channel, or which one of these ways you want to be using to make more money with a small audience. The first 4 ideas also apply to having a blog with a small audience, or maybe you have a small audience on Instagram. They all apply to having a small audience online in general, not only on YouTube, because you can be selling services, products, use affiliate marketing, and get brand deals on your blog, on your Instagram account as well. So make sure that if you're not on YouTube, you use these ways to make more money on your blog, on your Instagram account, and so on. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for newsletter videos every single week. If you want to check out my social media management services and my digital products that I'm selling, make sure to check them out in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video.